Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. We've got another truck we're getting ready to put on the lot. I wanted to share this with you. This one is a 2013 Toyota Tundra. It is the SR5 trim package. So it does have, as you can see right here, it's got a V8 engine in it. It's a 5.7 liter. So let's go ahead. I'll do a quick walk around, show you the outside. Then we'll go on the interior and show you the inside. Beautiful gray exterior, black cloth interior, dark tinted windows on this. You can see you do have the running boards. You do have heated mirrors on the outside. Go back here. It does have a backup camera, which is right above the license plate. You can see it right there. And it is a short bed. We'll show you the bed liner in that. Tinted back glass on it, 4x4. So it's got a little bit of everything. Go around here, we'll show you the driver's side, and let's take a look at the back seat. Okay, here we go. Show you the interior. Carpet appears to be in very good condition. Black cloth interior. Headliner is in good condition. Show you up front. Your door panels, black with a gray insert. Let's go ahead and take a look up front. So here we go. Take a look at up front. Do a quick view on this and we'll hop up inside. Oh, you do have some storage compartments up overhead. It does have power seats with lumbar. Show you the door panel on the front. You do have your mirror selection left and right here. Door panel lights to be turned on and off. So let's go ahead and hop on inside. Okay guys, here we are on the inside. I got the truck fired up, it's running. Do a little quick look around here. Let me go in here. I'm going to show you the gauges. Very attractive lighting on this. The mileage as of now, 76,806. Let me repeat that, 76,867 miles. On your steering wheel controls, you do have your audio here to connect with your Bluetooth, and this will actually go up on your gauges. You do have additional voice audio on this side. Cruise control is lever activated. And we're going to go over here and you'll actually see this is your connector for your four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive. Go over here, you do have a clock that is up there with a stereo speaker. And get over here to your audio. It does have a CD player right there. You get down here to your climate control, fan speed, couple auxiliary inputs for your electronic devices, cup holders. Very attractive area around the gear shift. And go over here, you do have a storage compartment. Plenty of storage right there. So let's go ahead and show you what the back looks like. Okay, here you can see your back. There is a lot of leg room back here, and I do mean a lot. So that's the truck on the inside, guys. Okay guys, that's it. 2013 Toyota Tundra SR5 trim package. It's got the 5.7 V8 engine, chrome running boards on it, heated mirrors, power seats. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Area code 740-992-4443. Have a great day.